Do you feel dizzy or uncomfortable with screen motion or effects? Or maybe you just want your photo to feel faster? The reduce animation option on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can help. Here's how to turn it on. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Scroll down the screen. And then enable Reduce Animation. When this option is on, it will turn off some screen effect like zooming and transition to make things feel more steady. It's great if you are sensitive to motion or if you want a cleaner and faster experience. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.